if we have 2
2.
x minus 6y, which is our first equation, equals to itong equation 1, E1. Ano ko na ha, E1. Tapos, ang second equation na to, kay x plus 2y equals 5, which is our 2. Now, the question is, as ang pinakadali tanggalon. So, most probably, dali tanggalon kaning x na value because i-multiply, kailangan na nato siya i-multiply sa negative 2 para ma-negative 2x na din. And then if this is negative 2x, we can already cancel the 2x and negative 2x. Di ba? Possible na ito na buhaton. Pero pwede po na mag-multiply ta diri og positive 3. Para kung mag 3x na diri, kani mahimo na siya og 6y. And if this is 6y, positive 6y, and this is negative 6y, the other equation, you can directly cancel out negative 6y and positive 6y. Diba? Pwede sad. So, but isa naman natong pilion. So, dito lang ta sa negative 2. Ay na to negative 2. So, if we multiply negative 2 sa atong equation, mag-negative 2 ta dira, multiply na itong negative 2 tanan. Okay?
20.
Negative 2x.
Negative x.
Okay.
Okay, cancel. Minus. Equal.
Negative 2, are. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 2y is?
Negative 4y.
Y. And what is negative 2 times 5?
Negative 10.
Negative. And we have now our equation number 3. Nata equation 3. So, unsa atong buhaton para ma-eliminate ang x, ato asyang ang equation 3, i-add na nato sa equation 1. I-plus nato sila. So, kopyahon na to ang equation 1 diri sa ilaw. So, this is 2x y is equal to
2x.
na ba yung makancel if mag-add ka?
Oh.
Add na ta. What is negative 2x plus 2x?
Negative 4y.
Negative 2x plus
0.
0. Very good. So, it cancels out. And next is kani, mahimo og
10. Positive, negative 10. Y.
and this negative 10 plus 20.
Remove positive 10.
Positive 10. So, it is positive 10. So, para y na lang mabilin, sa atong buhaton,
Divide by 10.
divide by, divide din sa atong i-divide,
10.
positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Okay, para makancel negative 10. So, sa Japan. So, divide negative 10, y na lang mabilin. And what is 10 divided negative 10?
Negative 1.
Very good. Negative 1. So, naatay y equals negative 1. O, mo only siya elimination. Now, unsa sa elimination? Mag-substitute or substitution. Substitution na ta. Unsa asa na to i-substitute si y equals negative 1? Magpili ta. It's either sa equation 1 or equation 2. Unsa imong prefer? Substitute.
1.
Sa equation 1. Sige. Isad. Imbes na 2x minus 6y equals 20, x minus 6y equals 20. Mao man equation 1, di ba? Muna siyang equation 1.
Substitute ang y with negative 1.
Very good. So copy 2x minus 6 times
Negative 1
equals
equals this. Sunod kay kanang i-multiply ang 6 ug negative 1 may mo negative 6.
positive or negative? Negative times negative, remember?
Yung positive 6.
6 and copy 20. So para x na lang mabilin unsa atong buhaton, first atong buhaton ani na equation.
Kung GCF para ay i-divide sila by 2 para walang 2x ay walang 2 sa 2x.
Naa pa man eh. Unsa atong una
Right.
buhat?
Balhin pa doon sa right side.
Very good. So mabili na lang kay 2x
2x
equal to
equal
20.
6 ay 20 minus 6.
Very good. Then 2x is equal to
Divide by 2x equals 14.
14. Very good. And unsang buhaton?
Divide by 2.
Good.
So mahimo na
Cancel ni x.
equals 7.
Good. So therefore, ang ato ang x is equal to 7 and y is equal to negative negative 1. Or point of intersection is 7, 1. I-check na to ha. So, iyang gibuhat una kay i-eliminate do niya kanang naka-red na 2x, i-eliminate do na niya, that's a purpose. Then ang second equation gimultiply ng negative 2, thus ang iyang third equation is negative 2x minus 4 is equal to negative 10. And then add 0, negative 10, y is equal to negative 1. So, by substitution, kanina, diretso na. By substitution, we have x equals 7. So therefore, x equals 7 and y equals, or 0.7 negative 1. Sige, kani, sa ikaw